Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you can't access this shared folder because your organization's security policies block. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click and expand LAN server. Click parameters. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type Allow Insecure Guest Auth, A, I, G and R capital letters. Change value data to 1, click OK and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.